Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the camera not working on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. First, close the camera app completely, then reopen it. If you have multiple apps running in the background, close all of them before launching the camera app again. This can resolve temporary app glitches. Next, clean both the rear and front camera lenses with a microfiber cloth. Make sure your phone case or screen protector isn't blocking the camera, as this can interfere with the camera's performance. If the issue continues, open Settings, Apps, Camera, and tap Force Stop. After that, reopen the camera app and check if it's working. Still not fixed? Go back to Settings, Apps, Camera, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your photos or videos and often fixes camera-related issues. You should also restart your Android phone. A simple restart can clear temporary system glitches that may be preventing the camera app from working properly. If the problem only occurs in a specific app, close that app completely and try again. Then check for any available software updates by going to Settings, Software Update, and install the latest version if one is available. If nothing works, back up your data and consider performing a factory reset. So that's basically how you can fix the camera not working on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.